Hi boys. So like, I know that the gaming short that I posted earlier was a little sucky, but it still does exist. It's the only thing I could think of. Well, my parents are awake yet, and it's almost 9 a.m. and my door alarm is still armed. The red means it's still armed, like select arm system type. That means if you open the door, it will not instantly just do the alarm. After like 10 seconds, it'll be like and then the cops are coming for us. So because like it thinks someone broke in. So penis. So like penis. So like penis. So anyway, so today we be show wow. So what happened if you microwave marshmallows? That's kind of explosive if you ask me. But it still does exist. What the? Why am I upside down? And so like we're saying, it's like so I will be using the jet puffed, not jumbo marshmallow. So take off the clip. I think there's like a hair clip. And so taking the graham crackers in here. Oh yeah, because Bella was making s'mores. So let's see what will happen if you microwave marshmallows. So hold on. So my guess is that they will expand triple the size. That is my guess. So hopefully that's what will happen. So if I get this right, I am going to like die of shock. If I get this right. So I have a plate so we can see what's going on. So there are marshmallows right here. Probably the a more scientific reasoning is they'll probably melt, but let's see. So we're going to be using 5 marshmallows. Let's see what the serve size 1 tablespoon is. Okay, what's the nutritious and delicious fact? Okay, so it's like the serve size, 1 tablespoon, about 4 pieces. I'm going to be using 5 pieces. Because I'm a gangsta. So, using 5 pieces. So, this way. Hold on, we need our hair clip to close it. My finger got stuck anyway, so like we need our hair clip to close it. Okay. So this is our plate of marshmallows. So here's our microwave. Yeah. iPad and microwave. Do not try. Oh my. Garlic powder. No, onion powder. Get out of the way. Anyway, so like I'm saying, so like we're about to put this in the microwave. So we're gonna do it for like a minute. So we need to put our marshmallows in. Okay, let's get to business. Okay. So we have 1 minute set. Marshmallows are in there, so let's start. Let's see what's gonna happen. Oh, oh, they're getting big. Oh my god. Oh, they're shrinking. God, they smell good. Let's see, how big can they get? Let's see. Oh, they're getting big. Oh my god. Big. Big marshmallow. Whoa. They're the size of your mom. Really big. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Uh-oh. They melted. Okay, I was right. They both expanded and melted. Oh my god. Oh. The heck? Why is there chocolate on the inside? Or is that just burned mark? Probably just burned mark. Okay. So here is our marshmallows. I don't know what all the brown stuff is. It's probably burn mark. But yeah, so that's all for today's video. Oh my. They became like one giant piece. And they're stretching through. And yeah. So that's all for today. See ya. Bye guys. Peace.